Get a one-pan, crispy skin dinner powered by Midnight Ember. Pat your chicken thighs completely dry. This is the secret to ultra crispy skin. Whisk olive oil, midnight ember, and fresh lemon juice into a rich, smoky paste. Rub the paste under and over the skin so every bite gets that deep ember flavor. Season with salt to finish. Roast at 400 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes until the skin is golden and the juices run clear. That midnight ember crust is everything. Smoky, crispy, and unbelievably easy. Your new weeknight favorite. Visit pepperpunchgourmet.com to get your jar today. Ingredients used: 4 to 6 bone-in, skin-in, chicken thighs, 2 TBSP olive oil, 1.5 TBSP midnight ember chili. Blend: 1 TBSP fresh lemon juice, salt to taste.